Welcome back! In this lesson, we are going to talk about the letter L and the digraph AJ. Let's begin. L in Spanish is L, L, and it has the same sound as in English. With the vowels, la, le, li, lo, lu. Again, la, le, li, lo, lu. Some examples. Lámpara, lámpara, lamp. Ley, ley, law. Libélula, libélula, dragonfly. Lobo, lobo, wolf. Lupa, lupa, magnifying glass. I want to take this opportunity to talk about the syllables. The L syllables are a prime example why it's important to learn the Spanish pronunciations of the syllables. One example, the syllable la. If we have a word in English like lamp, we are saying the syllable la. But when we change the ending of that word and we put a W instead of the MP, the syllable changed to law. Well, in Spanish, la will always be la. And it goes the same for all the syllables in the alphabet that we've been learning and the ones that we are going to learn. Moving on, the digraph AJ. This digraph used to be part of the Spanish alphabet. As it happened with the digraph CH, it was taken out of the alphabet and now it was classified as a digraph. This digraph could sound differently depending on the country or region. For example, it could sound elle, it could sound ella, or it could sound esche. All depends on the country or region again. For this video, let's go with the middle ground, elle, okay? The syllables are ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Again, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Some examples. Llave, llave, key. Lleno, lleno, full. Allí, allí, there. Llorar, llorar, cry. Lluvia, lluvia, rain. This concludes the lesson for today. Let's take the exit ticket before you go. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Llave, libélula, lámpara, lobo, ley. I hope you did great. Remember, keep practicing. That is the key. I will see you in the next lesson.